Woo! We got some forest restoration in the works here, creating some standing snags in the second growth forest to help speed up stand succession to increase biodiversity and ecological functions. Here in Decays, also known as the Atleo River in Aaḥuusʔatḥ First Nations territory, these forests were logged pretty extensively between the 70s and the 90s, which simplified the complex mature stands of forest that grew naturally here into tight even-age stands of second growth forest that has all sorts of problems associated with it, from a dense canopy that creates a lack of light and diversity to increased stem flow and overland flow of water, which leads to sedimentation and freshwater habitat destruction. So a main focus of our forest restoration here is restoring diversity of tree and plant species at different ages. So we're working on a thinning prescription here. It's going to remove about 30% of the trees here to allow light to come through the canopy to filter down to the forest floor so that other species can grow, which you can see we've done with a bunch of down logs over here. Another tactic we're implementing to break up and monotony this forest is topping some of these trees like Buddy behind me is doing here. So tree topping is where a faller climbs the tree to cut its leader off just below the canopy, which kills the tree but it leaves this main stem standing. And this replicates naturally occurring standing dead trees in a mature forest ecosystem that not only creates gaps in the canopy, but provides home to a wide range of wildlife as it decays. And if you wonder why he's revving, it's because he's actually working on creating little cavities and burrows that will replicate some of this stuff. So first, it's the fungi and bacteria that break down the strong cellulose and lignin molecules to soften the wood, which attracts insects who eat them, and the wood as they begin to colonize, which attracts all sorts of birds, rodents, and small mammals who eat those insects. And over time, some of those larger animals will hollow out cavities in the decaying wood and use it as home to raise their young in, and these cavities will continue to be hollowed out and used by larger creatures over the lifespan of the snag. So by creating these wildlife trees, we aim to speed up the succession of this forest land damaged by logging in the past by replicating features that are present in mature, complex forests to attract and provide home to a more diverse mix of wildlife, all of which contribute to the long-term health and ecological function of these forests and the waterways that depend on them for a better future for us all.